Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss a beautiful problem from permutation and combination. So, in this video, we will apply permutation and combination to solve that how many triangles can be drawn from the given dots. So, in this figure, we have given a triangle having vertices A, B and C. The side AB has 3 dots, side BC has 4 dots, whereas the side AC has 5 dots. So, we have to find out that how many triangles can be drawn from these dots. So, let's start the problem and to find out the solution. Let's try to find out the solution of this problem. Now if you observe that the side AB has 3 dots and side AC has 5 dots and side BC has 4 dots. So first what we do, we just choose exactly one point from each side. So one point from the side AB, one point from the side AC and one point from the side BC. So what we are doing, we are choosing exactly one point from the side AB. AB has 3 dots, so what are the choices? 3C1. Similarly, the side AC has 5 dots. So what is the choices for choosing 1.5 C1. Similarly, the side BC has 4 dots. So what are the possibilities to choose exactly one point is 4 C1. So if you join exactly one point from each triangle from each sides, then you can construct a triangle in this way. So how many triangles can be constructed in this way? 3C1 into 5C1 into 4C1, that means total 60 triangles can be constructed if you choose exactly one point from each side. Call this 1. Now we will discuss what are other ways to construct more triangles. So to construct more triangles, what we can do now, first fix a side. So let's fix a side AB. So first we are fixing a side AB and choosing exactly one point on the side AB. So what are the choices to choose one point from AB? That are 3C1. Now what you can do, you can choose 2 points on AC. 2 points on AC. AC has 5 dots. So what are the choices to choose 2 points at a time? 5C2. And similarly you can choose 2 points on the side BC. Then you have 4C2 choices and you can join these points as shown in the figure. So choose one point from AB and 2 points from AC. You can construct a triangle, and similarly if you choose a point from AB and 2 points on BC, then you can construct a triangle in this way. So what are the choices total for triangles to be constructed? That are 3C1 times 5C2 plus 4C2. This is happened when you fix a side AB. Similarly, if you fix a side AC and choose one point from here, then you have choices 5C1. Now you can choose 2 points from other side. It means you can choose 2 points from BC and 2 points from AB. So what are the choices from BC? These are 4C2. And what are the choices to choose 2 points from AB? These are 3C2. So in this case, what are the choices? 5C1 times 4C2 plus 3C2. So how these many triangles can be constructed in this way. Similarly, if you fix BC now and choose one point from here, then you have 4C1 choices and 2 points from the other side. It means you can choose 2 points from AB and 2 points from AC. If you choose 2 points from AB, you have how many choices? 3C2. And if you choose 2 points from AC, then how many choices you have? 5C2. So in this way, how many triangles can be constructed? 4C1 times 3C2 plus 5C2. Now if you simplify this expression, then you have 3C1 means 3C, 3, and 5C2 means what you have? You have 10 plus 4C2, that is 6. So you have 48 triangles in this way. Similarly, what you can get here? 5C1 means 5, 4C2 is 6, and 3C2 is 3. That means 45 triangles from here. And similarly, from here 4, 3C2 means 3 plus 5C2 means 10. So 52 triangles from here. So in first step we got 60 triangles. In the second step we have 48 plus 45 plus 52. So if you add these, then you have 205 triangles. So this is the right angle. So see how wonderful that application of the permutation and combination. So you can apply this technique to many other problems also. So that's all from today's site. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If you like the content of our channel, please share and subscribe the channel, and do press the like button of and bell icon also.